Hi, my name is CarExamer Inspector. Today inspecting this Saab for you. We'll start with the bodywork. The roof has fair wear and tear marks both sides of the vehicle. That would be expected for the 08 plate vehicle. Regards to your concerns about respray on this side, where there have been door quarter panel respray, it is being done to, I would say, satisfactory standard. I can find little marks, imperfections there, but a bit of orange peel, but it's good. Overall, I would say, I mean, it's not good, but I mean satisfactory because you can see certain things, but comparing to other repairs, which can be shady, this one is good. A bit of shade might be slightly out. On this section for the convertible roof, on this panel, there are oxidation marks in several places. Around here, and around here, and around here, and here. Which would need attention and repairing at some point. Scratches on the bumper, same as the front and rear bumpers, have been sprayed. What else? There are obviously light scratches present. You'll see them more in the pictures. Standard age-related blemishes. Alloy wheels in acceptable condition. On the front ones, the lacquer starts peeling off on both sides. Sits on good tires. Good disc and pads front and back. However, this side has heat marks present, and this side, when I checked it up, wheel rotation is restricted, so it looks like the caliper is seizing up, requires further investigation. The handbrake cable is releasing, and that's okay. So that was regarding the smell you mentioned, so that would be that smell. There are color-coded marks on this side, edges, slight scrapes on it. Here is a bit of scratches around this area. I think that's pretty much was the bodywork. Interior, I would say, have to say it's poor, as there are excessive wear and discoloration present on a seat bases, age-related cracks, not cracks, but present on that seat base. Again, discoloration present on this seat base at the back of the vehicle. Some marks here. That's regards to the seats. Door cards are quite good, and the interior itself is quite good. The AC is working, the heating is working. My software is not allowing me to check your mileage correctly. Otherwise, engine bay, everything looks good, neat. There's no oil leaks. That's good. Coolant is good. Brake fluid is good. We'll go for the road test now, and we'll write everything regards to the vehicle performs on the report. Coming back to the bumper again, you have some light marks, light scratches on both sides of the bumper. Some grill issues from stone chips. This bumper is sticking out. It's not sitting properly. Color-coded marks, scratches on this side of the bumper, and stone chips on this side of the bumper. The bonnet is good. You have few marks around here, and few light scratches and few light marks of stone chips. That's pretty much the vehicle. I'm gonna go for the road test now, and the rest of it, like I said, will be in the report. Otherwise, thanks for using us.